Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to sign out of Google Drive on your Windows 11 PC. Let me show you something. So if I go ahead and open up my file explorer, you will see here that under this PC I have a local drive and I also have the Google Drive. Now I use this to quickly transfer files directly into Google Drive without having have to open up Google Drive. So if I open up this drive here, you will see that I have a My Drive and I also have all my files and videos and whatever I have in Google Drive. All I have to do is just simply drag whatever file I want here and it's going to quickly upload onto my PC. Now, if I don't want that anymore and I want a simple sign out of Google Drive, it's very easy. You want to click on your tray on the lower right hand side of Windows and open up the Google Drive application by simply click on it once, and then you want to go ahead and click on the settings gear. Now, once you click on the settings gear, you want to go ahead and click on preferences. And once you open that, you will see that you have the Google Drive, you also have my computer and so forth. So what you want to do is simply click on the gear on the upper right hand side again. This is to open up the advanced settings. And here you will find the option to quickly sign out or disconnect the account. So all you have to do is simple tap on disconnect account, then click on disconnect again, and you will see that it disappears. Now, if you go down to the lower right hand side, you no longer see the Google Drive here under your tray. And if you open up your file explorer, you will see that when you go to this PC on your computer, you no longer have Google Drive there. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys. That's how you disconnect from Google Drive on your Windows PC, and also how to remove the Google Drive on your Windows PC.